I'm working on my jointer, and I'm at the part where I'm putting the fence on it, and I originally used big 1/4-inch fender washers. The thing about fender washers is they're wide, and not only that, the hole is smaller than on a standard washer. I find the hole to be way too big on the standard washer for, I don't know, it's just kind of a thing with me. I don't know, I like the hole to be smaller. I like it for it to be a tighter fit around the bolt. So what I have here are 3/16-inch fender washers, and I'm going to make the hole bigger. And I'm going to show you the way that I've discovered to do that effectively. I got my vice grips here. I'm just going to get just a reasonable hold on it here, like that. And then I've got my step drill, and I'm just going to drill it out. Now what the vice grips will do is it'll keep it from turning, and it does it much more effectively than, say, a vise will, because a vise will tend to crush it, whereas the vice grips have these teeth in here and a slightly rounded jaw that really grip the edge of the washer good. And the thing about the step drill is that it's not like a twist drill. The twist drill will be more grabby. This thing works a lot better for thinner metal. And just like that, perfect. So I've got 3 other ones to do like that, and then I'll be done.